Hello, this is Dr. Sivakant Pathak here with you with one more topic, that is acceleration of body down to a inclined plane. Actually it is in unit concept of friction, and we are going to with part 4th of concept of friction. We have seen a lot of things. What is a friction? What is a theory of friction? Cause of friction? Law of different type of friction, and angle of friction and angle of repulsion. Now we are going in the next part of this, that is acceleration of body down to inclined plane. In this topic we will see two topics together, so see very carefully here in this explanation of this. Under this we will see two topics, so see and be with us, right? So let us start the topic. See, we are starting this topic here with a diagram here. In this diagram, first of all take an inclined plane, inclined at angle theta. Inclined plane, rough inclined plane, rough inclined plane. Let a body of mass m kept on inclined plane. Here see in the diagram, a body of mass m here kept on inclined plane. In that condition, its mass always weight, not mass, weight always acting downward. Reaction always act perpendicular to the plane. See very carefully this derivation to calculate the acceleration of body down an inclined plane. See, this one more condition here in this case, body of mass m kept on inclined plane and moving down with acceleration a. See the case, body is moving down with acceleration a. See very carefully in this case, it means that the frictional force, limiting friction, it is moving down. So in case of limiting friction, it will not act, here will act kinetic friction in this case, Fk. See very carefully, because body is moving down. Fk, right? This is acting in this side. Now obtain the projections. We are going to obtain projection of this here. Weight mg here. One, this horizontal projection mg cos theta, and vertical projection mg sine theta for this theta. See, both theta will be equal because this angle will be equal to it. Now see in the diagram, the forces which are dissolved here, let us write first of all in form of equation. Here weight is equal to mg, R is equal to reaction force balances mg cos theta. Equation number 2. Now see, friction force acting opposite to it and downward force is acting mg sin theta, and due to that it is moving down with acceleration a. It means that in this case mg sin theta is greater than fk here. See carefully. And the difference of both provides a force. So, and frictional force acting just opposite to it, then we may write mg sin theta minus fk provides force here, and this force is equal to mass into acceleration in this case. Write as equation number 3. We are also knowing this is Fk, force of static friction. Force of static friction is given by formula Fk R, and since R is equal Fk R and this mu k r is equal to mg cos theta, and this is equation number 4. Here are 4 equations available with you. Now putting the value of Fk in equation 3, we have, see here in this equation carefully, in equation number 3, this ma is equal to mg sin theta minus fk is mu k mg cos theta. Now m is cancelled everywhere, and acceleration acting in this case, a is equal to z sin theta minus mu k g cos theta. Remember, it is required formula to calculate the acceleration here in this case. See in this diagram, when body is kept here of mass on a rough inclined plane having angle theta, and this projection of this weight mg sin theta is much more than fk. In that condition, body moves down with acceleration, right, with acceleration. So to calculate the value of acceleration in this case, we divide all the projections possible, equated here, and solve to get the formula for the acceleration of a body moving down. See here, this acceleration is g sin theta minus mu k g cos theta. Now we are going to see some special case here. Special case 1. if a special case 1 here, special case 1 is what? See very carefully. Body is moving down with uniform velocity. Body is moving down with uniform velocity. This implies that no acceleration. Uniform velocity means no acceleration. No acceleration means a is equal to 0. Then equation 5 can be written as 0 is equal to g sin theta minus mu k g cos theta. This implies that g sin theta is equal to mu k g cos theta, mu k g cos theta, or implies that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to mu k. See very carefully, this is the result here in this case when moving down with acceleration. Now one more condition we can consider. The second condition, when body is not in motion and under limiting friction. Under limiting friction. See carefully. In that condition, the equation 5, body is under limiting friction. This implies that body is ready to go in motion, but not in motion. See carefully, if body is ready to go in motion, not in motion, it means case of limiting friction, acceleration is 0 and velocity is 0. In that condition, equation 5 can be written right, and mu k will be converted into mu s. Then equation 5 can be written as 0 is equal to g sin theta minus mu s g cos theta, and this implies that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to mu s. So this formula we can derive. So we can obtain by this formula acceleration formula here in the case which I have derived here. If no acceleration acts, we have seen two special cases. Now we are going to calculate work done in moving down a body from inclined plane. See very carefully, work done here. See here, in case the body is kept on a rough inclined plane, and it is moving down with acceleration a, and let it travel a distance from here s distance to here. What is work done in this case? To calculate acceleration we have calculated here. See the formula: a is equal to g sin theta minus mu k g cos theta. So we are going to calculate the work done here in this case. We are knowing work is equal to force into displacement. Force is given by formula mass into acceleration into displacement. See here, m. Acceleration is, we have calculated g sin theta minus mu k g cos theta into displacement we have taken s. So it is this is a or it is m. So we can write g sin theta minus mu k g cos theta m and s this side. It is work done w. See, this is a formula. It can be represented by next equation. Here 5, let this is a 6, it is a 7, so it is 8. This is for today. See this derivation carefully. Any problem, rewind and see. It is very important to see you. Thank you and have a nice day to all.